Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In last video I replaced heating element for this desoldering gun. Its original heating element was damaged. To continue my work until I receive new heating element, I placed heating wire that is used in electric heaters. I took 7 ohms piece and I wrapped around this body. It was working nice and I received new heating element. I placed here. Now this gun is working good. And this gun was also with same problem. Its heating element was also damaged. Same way I replaced with heating wire by wrapping outside. I used mica insulation paper to insulate steel body, and this gun is working nice. I ordered new heating elements and I received. It cost around $450 with shipping charges and taxes for one piece. This heating element was working nice with me. Now I will replace new one because I have now new one. Handle with care because $450. Handle with care. Its wiring connections are mentioned here in this box as well. Yes, now it is maintaining temperature 324 degrees centigrade. I will set to 400 degrees Celsius. Now we will see its result. تفضل. يسلم ايديك.
صحة والف
يا قلب.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. شكرا. I have my coffee. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.